Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope everyone doing well. So in this video I will recap our class 4. So first of all I would like to say sorry because I was busy with my works. So that's why I did not get time to record the lesson. Okay, so let's get started. I am now in Adobe Photoshop. Let's create a new file. Okay, so this is our new artboard. I don't want this one. Let's take a new one. Let's take a custom one. So it would be 180. Uh, 180. Okay, then create. Okay, this is the thing. If you do not have layers panel, just go to window, then just click here, so it will be appear. Okay, on the fourth lesson, we talk about the most important tool, which is pen tool. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see here, as I already told you, if you click any of these tools, you will see some option on the top bar related to this tool. As you can see, if I click here, the option will be change. I'm talking about the top bar. Okay, top menu bar. So it depends on tools. So I am now in pen tool. So whenever you work on pen tool, there will be two options. The first one is shape, and the second one is path tool. Okay, the first one is shape and the second one is path tool. Okay, so we're now going to work on shape tool. Okay, shape means it will draw a shape that we done earlier on our third class, like this one. As you can see here, this is the thing. Okay, this is the thing. So we can also do the same thing with the help of pen tool. Let me show you how you can do this. As you can see, I am now in shape mode. This is my fill color and this is my stroke color. I hope you have idea about the fill color and stroke color, because I have already discussed this topic on my old lesson. So yeah, so I draw it like this. As you can, I'm pressing shift to draw a straightforward line. As you can see here, like this. So as you can, this is my uh, rectangle. So I can do this by the help of rectangle tools. I can also do this by the help of pen tool. So as you can see, the problem is this part. This is not equal. As you can see, this is not equal. So how can I modify this one? So we need to modify this point, right? If you want to make, as you can see, this point, and this 3 point almost okay. But if you want to make it equal like this, we need to modify this point, right? We can move this point into there, right? We can move this point into this position, maybe. So how can we do this? In pen tool, we can do this by the help of pointer. As you can see here, if I press Ctrl, I can modify. As you can see here, I can modify like this. Okay, as you can see here, maybe a little bit bigger or whatever. Okay, it's now almost there, but not the equal one, but you can do this. So whenever you draw anything by the help of pen tool, there would be three things. Let me show you. As you can see here, this is called pointer. Okay, your pen tool pointer. This is called pointer. This is another pointer, and this is called handle. Okay, handle will help you to modify your shape. Let's say I want to draw this type of shape, but once I draw this type of shape, now my mode is changed. I want to draw something like this, not too much web. So in that case, I can modify this. Okay, so let's say this is the main thing, but I want to draw similar like this, not too much web. So in that case, I can modify this point. I can also modify this point to make this. I can also the handle tools will help you to modify your design. Let me show you. So let me go to the move tools and delete this one, also delete this one. Okay, so yeah, let's go here. Then as you can see here, I just one click here, then this is my second click and this is my third click. So let's say I want to modify this point. So in that case, I'm pressing Control. As you can see here, now I can modify. I'm still pressing Control. I still press control, as you can see here. Now I can modify. Let's say I want to modify this point as well. So I'm pressing control, then the handle will be appear, then I can modify it on my own way. Let's say I want to modify this one. So in that case, I can do this like this, like this, like this. Okay. So this is the thing. I hope you understand. So for the better way to practice pen tool is you need to, let's say we have idea about tool, right? Text tool. So you need to press S, type S, then make it bigger like this. Then go to layer pen. Then as you can see here, you need to lock the layer. Okay, so it will not move his this on position. Then you can start drawing the S shape, as you can see here. Let me change the stroke color to white, because this is black color is our text color. That's why. And let's make the fill color to none. Then we can start drawing like this. As you can see here, it is quite hard as a beginner. Okay, so you need to practice, practice, and practice. So if you press Alt, though, you can delete one of handle. As you can see here, there are two handles, right? Currently we have two handles. So I always prefer you to delete this one always, because it will makes you distraction. It will makes you some problem. So in that case, whenever you draw new new pointer, just press Alt and delete this one. Okay, as you can see here, I'm pressing Alt and delete this this handle. Let's try to do this. Now I'm now in peak position. Okay, as you can see here, I'm pressing Control to modify this point. As you can see here, I'm pressing Control. Okay, then let's do it. Then pressing Alt to delete the handle. Same thing. So let me do it roughly to save our time. As you can see here, okay, as you can see here, this is the problem. As I told you, that always it makes another another web. So always try to delete the second anchor point, so it doesn't make you distraction. So as you can see here, I am here, then I'm pressing Alt. Then if I draw another one, as you can see, it will automatically draw the things. Alt, no, then let's say it's done. As you can see, new layer is called shape. Then maybe we can change the fill color to like this. Then we can compare with our shape. As you can see, it is almost there. But if there are some problem this point, so if you want to modify this, you have to go here. Then you have to press Control to get back your pointer. Do not release Control. Okay, like this. So you can do this. This is a better way to do practice. Okay, this is the path mode of okay, this is the path mode of pen tool. Okay, let's say if you want to let's say if you want to add a new anchor point, you can click here, then you can add. As you can see here, if you want to delete the anchor point, you can go here, then you can delete like this, like this, like this. So you can do this. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, this is the path mode of pen tool. Sorry, shape mode. As you can see, it is now shape mode. Let's say I want to use another mode, which is path tool. Path. So how can you do, how it's work? So it is actually work to select any object. So let me show you. Let me open an image. Let's delete this one. Delete. Okay. Okay. So let me open an image. Open an image, downloads. Okay. Let's say I want to delete this background. Okay. We can easily do this. This is a white color background. Let me open an complex image. Uh, uh, okay, which is this one. So this is not high quality image. Let me open an high quality image. File open. Mm, 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 mm. This is again low quality image. Okay. Let's say I want to remove this background. Okay. So if you want to remove this background, in that case, if you use pen tool to remove the background, you will get better output. So let me show. Let me compare with this. We have idea about the object selection, right? As you can see here, let me add the area. So I have already told you about the layer mask. So as you can see here, if I do this, there would be some issue. As you can see here, some issue. So because this is automatically selected the area, but if you want to select this area manually, we will get better output. Okay, as you can see here, we can delete this one. Okay, so how can we do this? We can use pen tool, Control D. We can use pen tool in path mode. So let's make a duplicate to see the. Okay, so this is the image. So let's go here and start drawing your path. As you can see here, like this. I'm doing roughly. So whenever you watch any, especially in YouTube, you will see that each and every person use path tool to remove any object background. So I would also prefer you to use path tool to remove background of your object. Because if you want to and always work on in zoom mode, in pixel mode. As you can see here, I zoom my cancel and it shows the pixel. So always work on pixel. Just zoom as much as you possible to zoom your canvas. So the thing is, if you use path tool, you can manually select the area, which area you need, which area you don't want. Okay. As you can see here, now I can select manually the area, the selection area. But by the help of object selections, we can't do this because this is automatically generated from our Photoshop AI or Photoshop system. So if you want to get better output of your image, I would like to prefer you to use pen tool as path mode. Let's see. Okay, let's do it roughly to save our time. Okay, and I would also like to tell you that please practice on on path tool. So practice on pen tool, it makes your works more professional, because whenever you select any object by the help of object selection code, you won't get the better output. So if you want to get better output, you might be work on uh, path tool, pen tool in shape mode, in path mode. Okay, so as you can see here, no, I don't. Okay, I'm pressing shift to take straight line. As you can see here, please take your time and do it manually. Okay, once it's done, selection is done, you can right click on it, then you can click make selection option. Okay, make selection, then you can make the feather 0.5, then just you can just click here layer mask. Okay, layer mask option. So you will get, as you can see, you will get better output. So let's say I want to, I want to back this part. How can we do this? We have idea about the layer mask. Okay, make sure you have changed this color to white and go to brush tool, then draw it. Okay. Oh, sorry, it is brush tool. Okay, make sure you are now in brush tool, not the mixer color tool. Okay, then if you draw it, it will be back, as you can see here, like this. So I am now in black color. I am also in uh, layer mask mode, so it will be back, as you can see here. Let's say I want to back this part as well, so I can do this. Okay, so like this. Let's say I want to back this part a little bit to make it more, realistic. So you can do this like this, like that way. So in that case, you can use, uh, mm, mm, mm. So let's say I want to remove the background of this bag. So in that case, I can use, path pen tool in path mode. So I can select it like this, like that way. So if you do practice on pen tool, so you can do a more professional selection. You can do it more perfectly as much as you practice. So practice makes a man perfect. So, and always whenever you work, just make sure that you have zoom your canvas. Okay, I'm doing roughly, that's why, for me, to save our time. But whenever you work on it, please take your time for the selection to get better output. Then click make selection, then click OK, then layer mask option. So it will be removed, as you can see here. Let's remove. Let's say I want to remove also this portion. So I am now in layer mask option. If you want to remove your part, you have to select the foreground color to black color. Then go here. Then let's make it like this. And as you can see here, I can delete. I can delete this part as well. So I can delete this part as well. Like this, as you can see here. I hope you understand, and that was our fourth lesson, and I will upload fifth lesson as well, recap video, on YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.